Looking pretty good in this little mirror over here. Ignore all the mess over there. We about to hit a big workout. Full of carbs right now. Let's get it.
All right, how we get it?
Okay, let me go. Are we ready for this shit?
One time, one time, one time, one time, one time, one time.
What's going on, party people? It's your boy Jay. We're hitting up the bike today. Ooh. I can't really show you, that's fine. I tried. So, the goal here over the next 2 weeks here is to, I think it's officially 2 weeks. 15 days. So, that's essentially what the goal is over these next 2 weeks to get as close as possible to that 175. And we're going to do some pretty extreme stuff. We're still only going to be eating one meal a day. But we're going to cut out carbs pretty much completely. And we are going to be doing a ton of cardio. Today's goal is 90 minutes on the bike. I was going to hit a full body workout. However, some of that HIIT workouts that I was doing over the weekend left my body pretty sore. I went pretty hard. So I want to give myself one more day rest before I hit a really hard full body workout. So that'll be tomorrow. We'll really hit the protein tonight. And we'll have a nice big workout tomorrow. It was going to be today, but I just need one more day of recovery. I was even ready to lift, even just before this. I was in my basement gym, warming up, stretching, but I just couldn't. I could tell my back was still pretty sore, my core was still pretty sore, and it wasn't going to be a good lift. So I was like, okay, we'll take another little rest day here, active rest, because we're still doing cardio. And it's pretty crappy. It's not crappy outside, but it's super windy outside. So that's why I decided to do 90 minutes on the bike, because we went for a little walk this morning, but it just wasn't very nice outside. So we're just gonna do all the cardio today on this, and then we'll hit a sauna. And yeah, the goal is just to kind of get as close to that 175 as we can. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good other than being a little sore today. So I'm just going to throw on a podcast and kind of just zone out here and try to just burn as many freaking calories as I can. Again, the goal is at least 90 minutes. But if we do more, that would be great. But 90 minutes is pretty good to begin with. So that's what we're up to today. And then we'll just eat a nice clean meal. I can't believe we've already almost been doing OMAD for a whole year. People in my real life keep asking me what I'm going to do afterwards, and I just haven't quite decided yet. I'm just focused on getting down there right now. Still got 2 weeks to cut some weight. Even if we get down to the 180, I'll be happy. But I think the lowest we gotten is 186. So I'm not even sure. 185. I can't even remember what our lowest low is now anymore. But anyways, we did load up on some carbs over the last couple days, but I haven't really been retaining water. I haven't gone too overboard with the carbohydrates. It's mostly been in the form of corn and beans, so maybe my body just processes those a lot better than like bread. So I don't know. It's been wild. It's been interesting. A whole year. I'll do the final episode of this will be a big long one. So if you guys got any questions, any comments, anything, please leave them in the videos over the next couple weeks. I will be responding to all the videos or all the comments. I know I haven't been. Your boy's been busy. But I will take the time this and next week to answer any of them that I haven't gotten to yet. And we're gonna end this thing with a motherfucking bang, baby. All right, I am going to focus in here, and yeah, I'll see y'all at the end of this thing. All right, all done. That fucking sucked, but we did it.
All right, this is what we got for dinner tonight. We still just have a ton of leftovers, so that's what we're gonna crush. We got some leftover ribs from a couple nights ago. We got some chicken thighs here, and then we got this little mix of peppers, onions, beans, and corn. I know this has some carbs in it, but we're gonna be lifting tomorrow anyway, so we could use a little bit more carbs. All right, yeah, this is what we're crushing. More love, more success, y'all. Let's go. Tomorrow is 2 weeks. 2 weeks left. Let's get it.